PR teams are expected to produce more content across more channels faster than ever, without losing quality. Here's how AI is actually helping. If you've ever rewritten the same announcement 5 different ways, spent an hour structuring a draft before you can even start refining it, or rushed something out that was just good enough, this week's Tool School is for you. And before anyone thinks this is about replacing pros with AI, it's not. The teams getting the most out of these tools aren't just handing over their strategy. They're using AI to remove the friction so they can spend more time on the work that requires actual human judgment. Relationships, positioning, storytelling, the stuff only you can do. Start with the general platforms. ChatGPT, Perplexity, NotebookLM, Gemini. These are your flexible collaborators. ChatGPT is great for brainstorming, drafting, repurposing content fast. Perplexity is perfect when you need to get smart on a topic quickly. It pulls research with citations, so you're not opening 37 browser tabs. NotebookLM is the solution when you're sitting on too much information, such as transcripts, reports, and notes, and you need to turn it into something usable. And Gemini fits perfectly into your workflow if your team works in the Google Workspace. These tools are flexible, but they still rely on you to bring the strategy. Then there are the tools built specifically for PR work, and this is where it gets interesting. NewPR.io is one of the newer ones worth knowing. Instead of making you figure out the right prompt from scratch, it's built around how PR teams actually work. Press releases, media pitches, crisis communications, messaging frameworks, the structure is already baked in. And for anything that needs to perform in search, Surfer SEO and WriteSonic helps you optimize and scale content so it actually gets found, not just written. In practice, most PR pros aren't just using one of these. A realistic workflow might look like this: research in Perplexity, organizing notes in NotebookLM, drafting in ChatGPT, building the press release in NewPR.io, and optimizing the final blog with Surfer SEO. It's faster than doing every step manually, and you're still driving the strategy the whole time. All of these tools plus more are in PR Tool Finder's AI Generative Text category. Links in the description. And check out the guide blog this week for a full breakdown of what to use and when. And for even more tools, check out prtoolfinder.com. Thanks for watching.